Hello people of YouTube, my name is Brad, this is my channel Animate Orange, and welcome to the Stuck at Home contest video. Yes, it's still me. I've had a bit of a shave, I've got my Vogue mask on. I bought this a while back. You can't find masks right now with any ease whatsoever, if you can find them at all. Fortunately, I got this before the recent outbreak because being immunosuppressed transplant recipient, I thought it was a good idea to have one during the winter time. I bought this within the first few months of having my heart transplant, because the first 6 months you're very, very immunosuppressed, and I caught any and everything. I spent like a month being sick after my heart transplant and decided to get one of these. So I already had one. So got a limited amount of uses, but I've only used it when I've needed it. So it's what I've got right now. Also took a moment to shave reluctantly just so it would seal a little bit better when I needed it. Unfortunately, I wish it was a little longer because it looks like I'm gonna have to touch up some more. Anyway, that's not what I'm here to talk about today. I'm here to talk about the giveaway that I have been planning with some friends. In a nutshell, this weekend while I was working on the Starscream build, I've just got a leg up on that build, pun absolutely intended, and I'm gonna start recording the part one of that video here in a moment. You may notice that I don't always record things in the order in which they're released. So when you watch this, I don't know if this is going to be first or if I'm going to already have part one of that build up. But anyway, I received a generous donation to my channel this past weekend, and right now things are financially stable as far as the channel is concerned. My first thought was I really want to kind of give this forward. It's been a while since I've had a giveaway. Now is the perfect time. So if you haven't guessed by the thumbnail or by the title, I have purchased, using the money that was generously donated, I have purchased 3 $25 gift cards from At Play Toys. They have been kind enough to contribute one more $25 gift card, so I have a total of 4 $25 gift cards to give away to those of you who are stuck at home with nothing or almost nothing to build. That way you can use these gift cards at Play Toys to order Metal Earth models. Obviously I can't force you to just spend it on Metal Earth models. They do have other fascinating and cool things as well. They've got wood models that I've been interested in trying, but I can stay way too busy with Metal Earth. But the cool thing about the Metal Earth models right now, they are offering free shipping on Metal Earth models. So I can give you this gift card. You can go order something and not pay a dime out of your own pocket to get a model or two, depending on your spending choices, to sit at home and build if you're one of the ones who are, like me, stuck at home either by choice or the fact that your job it's not happening right now because maybe it's been shut down. A lot of local governments are shutting non-essential businesses down. That's getting people stuck at home. Other places reducing hours. That's getting people stuck at home. There are people like myself who had a little bit of that happen, but also are just being very cautious and staying at home, because while I realize there's definitely news reports out there that this virus is not affecting everybody badly, it is affecting some people badly, and we should not care about those people just because it's not going to affect us badly. That's why I have this. I'm one of the people that stands a higher chance of getting something and it affecting badly. But for those of you who are stuck at home and nothing to build, contest is for you. I'm not going to say don't, if you've got a lot of models, don't enter it, but I would encourage those of you who are like me and have been buying extra models and have a queue at home to work on, I would encourage you to leave this for the people who don't, but I can't stop you. What I am going to do is, we're not going to make this as simple as just entering in your name in the description down below saying I enter. I'm going to make it a little bit more fun than that. I've organized a small scavenger hunt. Now, before I get that, I should mention the main rule with this contest is you need a U.S. address. I'm not saying you have to live in the U.S., but you'll need a U.S. address to ship to, and here's why. I'm sorry about this. At Play Toys only ships to the U.S., so you would need a U.S. address to use this card effectively. I did it this way because, for one, I talked in a previous news video about how a lot of small hobby shops, especially ones with storefronts, are having a difficult time right now, and the only way they can sell and make their money is online. At Play Toys is one of those places, which is why I chose to spend the money there to help support them, because it's what I can do. And it will help you if you win this contest, that you can get models from them shipped to you to a U.S. address for free and have something to build. If you're not in the U.S., but you know somebody who has a U.S. address that would gladly forward you these whatever you order afterwards, then that's fantastic. Definitely enter. So you're going to need a U.S. address. We're going to need an email address. You're going to have to be willing to give me an email address so I can send you the card, because it is virtual. Those are the two things you're going to need. And again, I ask that you save this contest for the people who don't have stuff to build. If you've got a lot of stuff to build, be kind, be generous, and let other people enter. So I said I've involved some of my friends. I have talked with my friend CodeWookie over at MetalEarthBuilder.com. CodeWookie has the coding skills. It's right there in the name. His website is already set up so that he can take forms, and has been generous enough to help me with this contest. So one of the things you're going to have to do is go follow the link in the description down below to go to his blog, to his post, where at the bottom you can plug in the information needed to enter this contest, which will also make it really fantastic for me, because everything will be nice and organized that I can randomly draw from for winners. But that's not all. Don't go there yet, because you're going to also need 3 keywords or phrases to put into that form to enter this contest, because this is going to be a bit of a scavenger hunt. The first part I'm going to give you, you're already here. The first part I'm going to give you at the end of this video. You're going to need it from me. The second part you're going to need from CodeWookie. When you go to CodeWookie's page, you're going to need to look for the name of the model that got him started. Where did it all start? That's clue number 1. Well, number 2. I'm going to give you clue number 1 at the end. I don't know, whatever order. One of the clues is CodeWookie. Where did it get, what model, name of the model, where he got started. I'm not going to make the clues too hard to find, but you are going to have to work from a little bit. Find a link in the description down below for that. But wait, there's more. Did I just say that? I just said that. I'm going to give you one clue at the end. You're going to find one clue at CodeWookie's site. The other clue, you're going to need to go to Twitter. Don't believe you're going to need an account. You're just going to need to find Metal Earth's Twitter account, because they've got a post recently where they've retweeted about a model, and you're going to need the name of the city. 2 words. I'll give you that further hint. Excuse me, not city, the town name. In their recent post, recent retweet of a model, you're going to need the town name, 2 words, to enter into one of the 3 keyword forms at the bottom of CodeWookie's page. So, you know where to find one clue. That's at CodeWookie's page at Metal Earth Builder. The link's in the description down below. Definitely read his post. Number 2, you're going to need to go find Metal Earth tweet. MetalEarth.com, bottom of their page, just links to their social media. Go to Twitter, go to their Twitter page, and just look for a recent retweet about a particular post mentioning a town name. And number 3, the last thing you're going to need, yes, I've saved the best for last, or the worst for last, I don't know. You're going to need the numbers at the bottom of my logo. Maybe you've caught them at the beginning of the video, maybe you're not. I'm going to help you out here in just a moment. Now, in case you didn't catch it at the beginning of the video, I'm going to help you out a little bit right here, show you my logo, and what you'll need for one of the keys is the numbers at the bottom of that logo. And I'll just take a moment to tell you, in case you're ever wondering, what those numbers mean. Those numbers are date, and the date is the date of the first video on this channel. And oddly enough, it had nothing to do with Metal Earth. If you've looked far enough back in my YouTube videos, there was absolutely a time where I wasn't making Metal Earth videos. I was kind of doing random stuff. I think the first video on that date is me doing a review of some Christmas ornaments that I bought from Think Geek. They were controllers, old school controllers like the original Nintendo and the Genesis controller, and I think it's an Atari controller and a PS1 controller. And I still have those ornaments, by the way. I still hang them on my tree, and I just did a review of them. And I used to get Star Trek Starships magazine ships sent to me and unbox them, and just stopped doing that because I wasn't getting many views, and other people were doing it, and it wasn't that interesting, and I got tired of spending the money because it was fantastic, but it was taking up a lot of room. And these models are smaller, so I can get more. But anyway, that's my key. You're going to need to go search for the other 2 keys in the appropriate locations, and then go to CodeWookie's website. The link is in the description down below to the specific post, and if not, you can always just look for the giveaway post on MetalEarthBuilder.com and just go down, read his post, of course, to get the other information, and go down to the bottom and enter in for a chance to win. Alright, so to sort of recap and add to, entries need to be received, must be received by 11:59 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, March 29th. Gotta enter by then. You will need a U.S. mailing address to be able to use these gift cards or gift certificates, virtual gift certificates. I will be making a follow-up announcement video after the contest is over. I'm not going to give a specific day, it just kind of depends on what's going on, though hopefully not a lot with me being stuck at home. You will need 3 scavenger hunt items, one of them being a number, which you've gotten from me already. If not, rewatch the video. One of them is 1 word, another one is 2 words. There'll be 3 different things. You will need to go to CodeWookie's blog. There's a link in the description down below. To go to the bottom, read, get the other clue, go to the bottom, fill out the form. There'll be 3 different scavenger hunt items fields. You'll put the stuff in there, as well as I will need a name. It doesn't have to be your name, it can be your YouTube channel name, it can be a name you made up, just something that I can use to announce you're the winner, and you'll know who you are. I mean, and I'll need your email address so that I can email you the gift card. Obviously, it's not going to be a physical one, it's going to be a virtual one, so I will need your email address. The information is going to be collected. I'm going to get it in an Excel format, and in either right before or possibly in, if I can set it up, it might not be in the video, but I will do a random drawing from the list of names in that Excel sheet, and basically I'll pick four names or 4 entries at random, check to verify that the 3 different scavenger hunt items have been found. I'm not going to be overly strict about it, as long as you got the right idea and I can see that you've made some attempts at least to do it, then you'll be, I'll accept it. If not, blank entries, or obviously you've just gone and entered in random stuff and hope to be entered. I'm going to throw that out and draw again until I have 4 winners, and I will see you in the next video to announce the winners. So I'll end with thanking my friend at Fascinations and CodeWookie for helping me put this together. That was kind of fun planning it, and something different and neat. I think it's a fantastic idea. I hope you do as well. Thank you to the anonymous donor who sent the funds to make this possible. I do appreciate it. Thank you to @PlayToys for also contributing a gift card so that I have more to give away. I greatly appreciate that. And of course, as always, thank you to my Patreon supporters for continuing to support this channel, and thank you for watching. Leave if you want to make a comment down below. As always, feel free. But those are the instructions to enter in the contest, and good luck, stay safe, happy building, and I'll see you next time.